Hey you guys, I'm your girl DC Livers from TBSN. I'm just taking over people's Instagram pages while we're here at Comic-Con. Tell us your name, what you do.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Edmund Paul, writer and creator of Journey Through the Northern Wind. I'm CEO of Northern Wind Comics. Me and my wife, our kids inspired us to write these books based on their characters of color. And we here at New York City Comic Con.
Yes, we are.
2022. I was a panelist. We also have an animation. Been winning at Film Festival Awards. One of them was the Kim Fest last week for black people of culture. We tap into the people in the community because the kids is the future. If you're not here at New York City Comic Con 2022, we're here on the second day. We got 2 more days left, so you got enough time to make it down here. So my booth number is 1941.
1941, what are you doing at the booth?
So right at the booth, you could grab my comic books, my children books, which connects to the comic book series going into the novel series. Me and my wife, Josette Paul, wrote over 800 comic books, about 5 novels, and I would say 7 children's books. That number always stuck with me. I got 7 kids by 1 wife.
Oh wow, how'd you do that?
Well,
that's that 90s kind of love.
I didn't plan it, but
that's that 90s kind of love.
God sent me my other half, and I'm from the North Star. I am the traveler, and the journey through continues. So come on down here to Comic-Con and check us out.
So tell me, what do people want to know about you? Like if they want to work with you, if they want to turn your comics into movies or TV shows, you have those kind of plans? So yeah, we do have voiceover opportunity for the people within the black community, because I'm heading for the black stars first. You know, because we don't get that shine. But it's my job as a messenger to make sure you get where you need to be, love yourself, honor yourself, and let's grow together. I want to stop real quick and say hello to a few people that have joined you. So Geekcaster, hello, I'm gonna wave at you. And thank you so much, 13 Monty joined as well, so hello to you too. Is there anything you want to say to people out there who might want to work with you?
Well, if you want to collaborate and work with me or for opportunity, for your field of work that you do, that's my job. My personal job, I'm an engineer, so that's something different. So I'm good at putting things together, like events like Comic-Con, events like the Black Schaumburg Comic Book Festival, which I will be there next year in January.
So that's where they have like J-Craft and all that stuff right there.
Yes, my stuff is actually on a wall.
Wow.
And that's a part of like history right there. So this is the thing, I want to tap into our culture. I want to bring all walks of life, especially from the community, because the kids is the future. So anything that you specialize in, whether it's music, comics, art, is mathematics. Everything connects. So let's go together and bring up our vibration together for the kids and the youth in our community.
I want to stop again and say hello to Jeremy, who joined you, to Heartless Arts, and to Derek Jim. Hey, you guys, we're live right now on the TBSN, the Black Sports Network, and are you ready for this? It's the nation's first Black-owned, women-owned sports network, and we're looking for comics for kids. So maybe we should be talking about, some kind of adventures. Do you think you could do that for television?
Oh, most definitely. So, Journey Through the Northern Wind, like I was telling you guys, my kids inspired me to write books based on their characters coming from our culture. Then it branches out to different cultures, all walks of life. So the message in our children books, which is available at Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Walmart, Target, and just Google it. iBooks, Google Reads. You can get all of that. But the message in our stories for the children's books is very educational. At the end of the book, you're going to see lessons you have learned. There's 3 lessons from that book you have learned to get the message. And going on a journey with my daughters, each character has their own personality, so you could probably reside with each character and might have a favorite character, but it's lessons you have learned based off their journey as that character.
So do you have a favorite character?
Well, I have 7 kids. I don't.
Yeah, you might not answer that question.
I can't.
In fact, let's retract that. We're not going to get into that because we don't need that kind of heat.
Absolutely, and my wife, if it wasn't for my other half, my wife, we're happily married, of course. Like I said, I got 1 wife, 1 life, and 1 family, and 1 love. So I want to spread the love and bring up the vibration. So this is why I'm here at Comic-Con. I'm not here for the value. I'm here because God sent me here to bring our people together to bring up the vibration. So if you want to collaborate, anything that I can do in the field of work that you do, my job, I'm an engineer, so I can connect it and tie it into your passions and your craft. So let me work, But you got to bring the work to me so I can put it together.
Absolutely. You know, I cover sports, NFL, NBA, all that stuff. And a lot of the athletes are absolute geeks. They love the black nerd culture. What would you say to them if they want to support you or, you know, fund you? What do you think?
I would say just, you know, in history for the collaboration with that football player or that baseball player, that my plan for the community, for the youth, was to put basketball programs, bring the recreation centers back. I'm well connected. I'm from the Bronx, born and raised in the Bronx, and I deal with the Bronx Councilwoman, Vanessa.